and the party. Cause all I have is the man. Now I'm feeling low.
Black up, mama, Oh! Okay. What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Yo, I'm excited, bro. Like, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, bro. I'm excited. Fuck! Bro, I'm too excited for this, bro. Hey, I was waiting so patiently for this collaboration, bro. Like, what the actual bro? Trinidad Killa and Nicki Minaj? Come on, bro. Yeah, so guys, look, I know the reason why you are here, right? You are here for the collaboration featured Nicki Minaj and Trinidad Killa with a song called ESKIMO. Bro, I love that song so much. It brings so much vibe. It brings so much positivity. It brings so much nostalgia. It's a very great song. Yes, I'm out in the snow. Okay, so I know some there from Jamaica, right? Yeah. Two Trinidad link up together. One of hip-hop's greatest rapper ever. Female rapper, which is Nicki Minaj. Dog, this is gonna be crazy, bro. Like, okay, let's go. Peace.
Trini where? Trini where? Trini know, Trini eyes, Trini here. I's the only mother country. He want his name in the snow, so I write it down. I make.
Okay. His name is Snow, so I write it down. Okay, Nicki. Okay. Yo, I was waiting, bro. Finally, bro. Final blinkingly. Yeah. Damn, bro. Damn.
These bitches lift up, I don't fight them down. When he see me, he be getting so excited now. Heard the killer want the queen, I should knight him now.
Hi life, good morning, we nice, you know this. The vibe, the feeling, alive.
Oh my god! Yo! I love this song, bro. I love the music, man. Oh my god, this music is so good. Yo, this music is so darn properly written. Now the music is now finalized, right? Whitney Minaj started the intro the other time, bro. Like, I think it's last month. Nicki Minaj started the intro, and she's finally now on the beat with my bro, Trinidad Killa, bro. You guys won't even understand. Oh, I love this song, man. Damn.
No out in the cold, miss the sun when it snow, and I can't fight the feeling, and I wish I could be there for you. When you're out on the road, I write your name in the snow. Now I'm missing the feeling, and I wish I could be there with you. Now I'm feeling low, cause I miss all these S and the party. Cause all I have is the man. Now I'm feeling low. Only vibes, only fun in the party.
Yo! No way, dog. No way. This music is strictly terrific. Yo! Well. I've known so much Trinidad artists, bro. Like, but this music, so much positivity, so much vibe, so much great feeling. The music is literally alive, bro. Oh my god. What a wonderful music, Trinidad Killa. Yo, you deserve a gun for this one, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Up you and your friend, everybody.
She my inferior, motives ulterior. These bitches bad, but I am a biscuiteria. Eskimo coupe, that's the white on white interior. I'm in your area, eating no cafeteria. You let me hear, rebel be cherry here. Them Trini real nice, them man is really stare. Bitches be talking about they Trini be like Trini where. I is the only mother cunt Trini here. I know you wanna hit it, come touch it for a minute. St. James, water Spain if you really ready. I know she bad though, when you coming back home. Waist on skinny, but that ass on fat so.
Okay. Give me a moment. Chobombo clot! Yo! Nicki nailed it! Yo, she nailed it, bro! She nailed it! To ass clot, yo! Ah! This combination is perfect, my G! Perfect! No way, dog! No way! Bah! No way, bro! No way!
Big up the people who just fight for way. Down there. They keep the music playing. They keep the music rotating. Big up the people who just fight for way. And you know the girl them love me. So keep the music playing. You know out in the cold, I'm not feeling alone, and I can't fight the feeling. And I wish I could be there for you. You out on the road, I write your name in the snow. Now I'm missing the feeling, and I wish I could be there with you. Now I'm feeling low, cause I miss all these ass and the party. Cause all I have is the man. Now I'm feeling low.
Back up, bro! Oh! Dog! Music! This is music, bro! Yo, if not, this is one of the sweetest Trinidad music I ever heard, bro. Oh my goodness. This is sweet, tasteful music. Oh my goodness. Hey, a solid 10, man. Oh my god, this music is a straight rating for me, dog. No way, bro.
Only vibes, only fun in the party. Bring up you and your friend, everybody.
Drastically, bro. Damn, that is music. That is music. Whoa, Nicki, you've killed it. Trinidad Killa, you've nailed it. You've both done an exceptionally great job. I enjoyed it. This music is a millionaire music, dog. Like, look, stay tuned, my guys. Like, I'll be looking forward for more music by Trinidad Killa, and another collaboration between him and Nicki Minaj, bro. So stay tuned, bro. Hit the bell icon, subscribe, and lay low for now, okay? I'm out.